Hi there, it's Amy from the Balgonie Library. Tonight I'm going to show you how to make this easy Olympic gold medal. So first of all, what I did is I just went to Google and I looked up a medal template and I found this easy one to do. And then I cut out a yellow circle to have a gold medal. And then I went into the pantry and found some Fruit Loops or any other kind of colored circle cereal that you have, and go ahead and make the Olympic ring. So 3 on top and 2 on the bottom. You can even look up the color order if you'd like, and then go ahead and draw whatever sport you enjoy watching. I did basketball because it was nice and easy to draw, but you can go ahead and draw whatever you like to watch, and then color in your rest of the template there, and you'll have an Olympic gold medal. These are available for pickup at the Balgonie Library, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.